Today is a very special story time because we are celebrating the UAE National Day. Oh, I forgot. Happy UAE National Day to you! And for UAE National Day, I'm going to read a beautiful book called Little Ghaf Tree by Hamid Al-Fahim. The story tells us why the Ghaf Tree is so important in the UAE. Hold on. You might want to be knowing some fun facts about this book. First, the Ghaf Tree is the national tree of the UAE. Second, it stands strong in the hot desert. It's built for any type of weather, be it sandstorms, thunderstorms, or even a hurricane. It stands strong. Third, it gives us shade and shelter to comfort people, animals, and birds. The Ghaf Tree teaches us strength, peace, and resilience. Now, you might be wondering, what is resilience? Resilience is the power to be tough and strong. That is why this book is a perfect story to celebrate the UAE National Day on Antra Reads. You might be a little impatient, so let's start reading this book. It's by Hamid Al-Fahim and illustrated by Shahul Hamid. The Little Ghaf Tree. My name is Ghaf. My family and I live in the vast deserts of the UAE. We love our desert home. The sun is always shining and the golden sands stretch for miles beyond the sand dunes. At night, stars twinkle and glitter like they're laughing up there with the moon. Oh, what fun we have wishing upon every shooting star we see. They streak brightly across the sky and they're gone in a blink of an eye. I'm still little, but my father is over 100 years old and is 7 meters tall. He feeds thousands of reptiles, birds, and animals and insects with his tasty flowers, seeds, and green leaves. Owls, sparrows, ravens, and buzzards build their nest on his strong branches. In fact, his branches are so massive that people call him the umbrella tree. Animals and people visit him every day to seek shade from the hot desert sun. On sunny days, camels, goats, and sheep like to eat our green leaves. Squash bugs and honeybees often come to live with me. We play together and even make up songs. They've become my good friends and love to sing along. Animals, insects, and the Little Ghaf Tree were celebrating a part of the desert family, celebrating life in the UAE. As you see, the desert animals are taking shade under father grass. But on gloomy days, when the mean, monstrous sandstorm called Habubu, not Labubu, blows, all the animals and people run to hide in their homes. Habubu swallows the sun and turns the daylight into darkness. He sweeps away as much as he can with his strong winds and swirling sand. Habubu's raging winds and howling sounds scare me. Some of my leaves get pulled away and my branches tremble. But my father remains calm and tells me not to worry. He says that I'm strong, just like he is. "Fear not, my son," my father tells me bravely. "The habubu likes to howl to frighten you, but he cannot hurt you. Our family of the trees is the most resilient in the deserts of the UAE. Our roots are deep and strong. We can withstand the harshest weather and still stand tall and sturdy," he assures me with his confident voice. Here, if you notice, the little gaffs and the big gaffs roots are making like hands and holding each other. It's important to be strong and face your fears. My father is always right. Habubu comes and blows, but the sun always returns with its bright yellow light. My father proudly tells us stories of how humans eat our green leaves as a delicious salad. They also dry our pods and eat them as vegetables. Father says humans even use our bark for medicine. They heat our leaves and use the smoke to treat eye troubles. We're quite miraculous, wouldn't you agree? Here's what all the Ghaf Tree provides. So the Ghaf Tree is very miraculous, as the book said, and it helps lives. Like, for example, it said, Father says humans even use our bark for medicine to treat eye troubles or more. My favorite story is the one that my father tells me at bedtime under the moonlit sky. He talks about how our family has survived for centuries with very little rainwater and yet continues to thrive and stay evergreen. Because of our magical roots, our ginormous roots can grow as deep as 30 meters to reach the water hiding deep in the sand. The roots spread out for miles and miles to find water. That's how these trees keep on growing. Shake your leaves and give yourself a pat on the back, son. We are not like any other tree. Every part of us is edible by many different species here in the desert, my father tells me with pride. For many centuries, our family has been known for giving our generosity and love our giving, he adds. That's why everyone calls us the life-giving tree. When I grow up, I'm going to continue our family tradition. I will make my father and the UAE proud. Well, cheero for now. My new friend, the giant longhorn beetle, has come over to play. I can't wait for her to meet Squash Bug and Honeybee. Then all of my friends can sing along with me. Animals, insects, and the Little Ghaf Tree were all part of a desert family celebrating a life in the UAE. Well, it's a cheero, so say bye to Ghaf Tree. Bye, Ghaf Tree. I hope you can visit me one day too. I'm not far from you. Just ask from the Ghaf. Everyone in the desert knows me here. The whole world knows me too. Yes, it's true. I'm the national tree of the UAE. Some of Ghaf Tree's friends are Feral Goat, Arabian Oryx, Arabian Camel, Arabian Sand Gazelle, Arabian Red Fox, Giant Longhorn Beetle, Pharaoh Eagle Owl, Squash Bug, Yellow-throated Sparrow, Brown-necked Raven, Long-legged Buzzard, and spiny-tailed lizard, and some honeybees. Wow, that was such a beautiful story. It truly inspired me. Did it inspire you? The Ghaf Tree shows us how important nature is and how a strong tree can help everyone around it. It also reminds us to be kind, helpful, and strong, just like the UAE. Now, you might be having some questions. So do I. My first question is, what did you learn from the Ghaf Tree book? Why do you think the Ghaf Tree is so special to the UAE? With this wonderful questionnaire and this beautiful book, we come to an end. Thank you for watching on Antra Reads. I hope you enjoyed this UAE National Day special story. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more amazing stories. Once again, happy UAE National Day to everyone who's out there. Bye-bye!